In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into OpenWise. First, let's get started by navigating to the OpenWise website and locating the Login button. It's usually positioned at the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you are prompted to enter your credentials. Now, go ahead and type in your registered email and your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so make sure that your caps lock is off and that you're entering it correctly to avoid any errors in this step. Once you've entered these details, hit the Login button. It's not uncommon to encounter issues at this stage. If the login attempt did not work, don't worry. This is a scenario we've all faced at one time or another. The next step is to click the Reset Password link. This will ensure that a reset email is sent to your registered email address. This email will contain a unique code which you'll need to retrieve. So open your email inbox, locate the message from OpenWise and jot down or copy the code provided. Once you have the code, return to the OpenWise password reset page. Carefully enter the code into the designated field. Doing so will take you to a new screen where you can set up a fresh password. This password should be both secure and memorable, so you won't have to endure this process too often in the future. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. With your new password set, the system will send a verification code to your registered phone number. This two-step verification process adds an extra layer of security to protect your account. Wait for the message to arrive. This typically happens in seconds, and enter the code into the platform when prompted. Once you've successfully inputted the code from your phone, you'll be ready to log in to OpenWise. Re-enter your newly set password along with your email address. Alternatively, to simplify future logins, there's an option to log in using Google. If you select this choice and you're already logged into your Google account, you'll find yourself automatically directed into OpenWise without the need to enter your password again. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into OpenWise. This method not only ensures access to your account, but also maintains your security with two-factor authentication and a strong password. Thank you for tuning in, and now you can enjoy the full features OpenWise has to offer.